Hey guys, it's Miss Finch here. Today I'm going to do some review on adding and subtracting decimals. So, if you remember from last week, we talked about adding and subtracting decimals and the whole process. There's a whole process for you to add and subtract decimals in order to make sure that you're getting the right answer. All right, so we're looking over here at the rules. We have rule 1, which is line them up. Line them up by the place value. Actually, I like to line them up by the decimal. That means that whenever you have your numbers, you draw your decimals first and then fill in the rest. Because then you can see if there's any holes in your problem, like right here, and you'll be able to add your zeros. Let's see. Drop it down. That means that you're taking your, oh my goodness, and you're making sure that you drop this guy straight down and make sure that you're filling in any zeros. And then you just add and subtract like normal. So, for example, this problem over here, let me erase this. All right, so this problem right here, when it was first written out, this problem probably looks something like 69.45 plus 68.52. That's probably what it looked like when they got it. So we have to take it and make sure that we're stacking them up. We're lining up these decimals. So I'm going to draw my decimal points right here. And then I'm going to fill them in based on what is in my ones place. So I'm using this number first. So I'm going to put my ones place. That's a 9. And I'm going to put this tens place in front of it. So I have 69 right here. And then I can fill in the 4, 5 behind it. And then the same thing here. My 8 and my 6. So all my places are lined up. I know it's crooked. My hand's tilted on my stylus pad. And then I have 5, 2, and 0. And we've made this. And all of our place values are lined up. So now we can actually really see, okay, look, there needs to be a 0 here because you cannot, I'm going to repeat this, you cannot accurately add or subtract your decimals if you do not fill in your zeros. Specifically, you cannot correctly subtract your decimals unless you're filling in your zeros. I go through and subtract, so I have 0 plus 0 is 0. Let me put my addition sign right here. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 5 is 9. I get to my decimal and I'm going to just drop it straight down. I'm not going to wait till the end. I'm going to do it right now. Sometimes some people like to drop it first thing so they really, really don't forget, but I like to do it in a row to make sure that my place values stay where they need to be. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry my 1. 6 and 6 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. So I have 137 and 97 hundredths. Right? So that was a quick review. Please make sure that you are paying very close attention. Make sure your decimals are dropping down in the right place value. Make sure all of your place values are lined up. You should be able to, it will be really messy, but you should be able to draw lines down your place value like we used to do in second grade to make sure that it's lined up. When you write your problem, you should be able to do that. And your answers need to line up in those same areas. So the biggest point is making sure that your decimals are lined up and your place values are lined up and dropping your decimal. All right? So super quick review. I hope it was helpful. Make sure to contact your teacher if you need more help or me if you want. Have a great day. Bye.